The BMC Helix DevOps Dashboard brings together DORA metrics and other key information to increase agility and change without sacrificing governance or safety. Let's take a look at the retail outlet service. Here we have a high deployment frequency. This means deployment is streamlined and value can be delivered to customers quickly and consistently. It shows that changes are small and frequent, allowing for increased agility without increased breakage. Mean lead time for change tracks the time it takes from a code change commit to successful deployment. Shorter lead times means faster feedback loops, quicker responses to market needs, and reduced risk of error. Mean time to restore service is a measure of resilience, as faster times mean faster recovery from service outages or incidents. Minimizing this time protects revenue, improves customer satisfaction, and brand reputation. Upcoming changes shows planned deployments, allowing for proactive resource allocation, risk assessment, and coordination across teams. The deployment frequency trend graph helps show bottlenecks in the development process. If the trend is declining, it's a signal to investigate and improve efficiency. The mean lead time for change complements the frequency trend. It reveals if changes are flowing smoothly through the pipeline or if there are delays that should be addressed. The change failure rate measures how often deployments cause outages or incidents. If high, lowering this rate is critical for stable, reliable software. The mean time to restore service by month bar graph shows how incident response performance varies over time. Identifying patterns helps focus improvement efforts on specific times of year or day, and address underlying issues. Bar graph of upcoming changes helps planning and proactive anticipation of potential challenges. Here on the lower right, we get a view into critical metrics over time and showing system health trends. Events, incidents, and recent changes are overlaid on each other, helping teams quickly identify and diagnose potential trending issues. This matrix reveals which team or individual submitted the most changes and who is responsible for coordinating them. It highlights potential collaboration opportunities and may also identify opportunities for process improvements. In sum, the BMC Helix DevOps Dashboard gives you the visibility you need to transform raw data into actionable insights, enabling fast and safe software delivery.